Are you a connoisseur of memes ready to share your great taste with the world of Sonic? Well, good news. Today I'm going to show you how to launch your first meme using DegenExpress. First, head over to DegenExpress. After you've marveled at some of the glorious memes, it's time to add to the collection and click on Start New Coin. Here is where you can unleash your creativity. Mastermind your coin masterpiece by giving it the perfect name, ticker symbol, image, and bio. After you've packed in all the meme lore, hit start. Next, you'll be asked if you want to buy any tokens. This is optional, but it is recommended to help protect your pool from snipers. Finally, hit create token and confirm the transaction in your wallet. And just like that, you are officially a meme lord. Go ahead and explore degen.express and launch your meme in a matter of minutes. Have fun and can't wait to see what you create.